Like, share, bell, follow. Welcome to Anonymous True Crime. Seems Benny Juice has himself a new twisted crush. This dude moves on fast. He found himself a new man to stalk. Question: has Boy Keys bitten off more than he can chew this time? Benny was hosted by the fair white rabbit. Benny did his usual loud, talk over the top and attempt to gaslight. Benny has been blowing up Dolly private phone, begging for Dolly attention. Dolly gave him some. We enjoy this best in slow mode. You can really see the OF moment better.
Hey, Benny, you bitch. Now I'm a bitch when I'm online, huh? You a bitch, and man, you a bitch too. I got all your information coming for you, man. Please.
Like, share, bell, follow.